In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a registration form on your Wix website. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have a functional registration form that suits your needs. First, we'll start by logging into your Wix account. Open your browser and navigate to wix.com. In the top right corner, you'll see a login button. Click there and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the My Sites dashboard. This is where all your websites are listed. From here, find the site you'd like to add the registration form to. Click on the site and then hit the Edit Site button to launch the Wix editor. The editor is a powerful tool that allows you to make changes and customize your website. Now let's add the form. On the left-hand toolbar of the editor, you'll see an Add Plus button. Go ahead and click it. This will present you with a menu of options. Select Contact and Forms and then Forms from the choices. Here you can browse through various templates. Choose a registration form template or, if you prefer, a simple contact form that you can customize to your liking. Once you've made your selection, drag and drop the form onto the page where you'd like it to appear. After placing your form, the next step is customization. Click on the form itself to open the Settings panel. This area allows you to adjust what information you'd like to collect from people filling out the form. Common fields include name, email address, and phone number, but you can also add custom fields, like event type or membership ID, depending on your needs. Arrange these fields in the order you prefer and edit the labels to make them clear and user-friendly. It's also essential to determine what happens after someone submits your form. Still, in the settings, find the Submit Actions options. Here, you can set the form to send an email notification to you or your team, redirect users to a thank you page, or collect all responses directly in Wix Contacts for easy management. As for the visual aspects, click on Design to further refine the aesthetics of your form. You can customize colors, fonts, button styles, and even the form's background to align with your site's theme. Finally, with everything set up and looking good, don't forget to hit Save to ensure none of your hard work goes to waste. It's always a good idea to click Preview to see how the form functions and appears to visitors. Once you're happy with it, click Publish to make the form live on your website for everyone to see. And there you have it, a fully customized registration form on your Wix website. With these steps, you can easily gather the information you need from your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.